Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about chemistry experiments. So let us start learning of chemistry experiments. So first experiment is to perform the detections of elements like nitrogen by Lassen test. So what is your requirement? Supplies organic compounds, fusion tube, sodium metal, distilled water, glassware, beaker, glass rod, round bottom flask, funnel, filter paper, magnetic star. What is the theory? Qualitative analysis of four elements. In organic compounds, the elements commonly occurring along with carbon and hydrogens are oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. The detection of this element depends upon converting them to water-soluble ionic compounds and the application of a specific test. Lassen sodium fusion test, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur X, NaCS, NaCN, Na2S, NaCNS. So what is the procedure? Place a piece of clean sodium metal about the size of a pea into a fusion tube. Add a little of the compounds, 50 milligrams or 2 to 3 drops. Heat the tube gently at first, allowing any distillates formed to drop back onto the molten sodium. When charring begins, heat the bottom of the tube to 12 redness for about 3 minutes and finally allow the tube while still hot into a clean dish containing cold distilled water 6 ml. Cover immediately with a clean wire gauze. So for liquid it is better to first melt the sodium, add the liquid drop by drop. The tube shatters and any residual sodium metal react with water. Stir the mixture, boil for 1 to 3 minutes on tripod and filled hot through a fluted paper. The fusion filtrate, which should be clear and colorless, is used for a specific test described. You can nitrogens, nitrate. To perform 2 ml of fusion filtrate, add 0.2 gram of powder ferrous sulfate crystal. Boil the mixture for a half minute. Cool and acidify by adding dilute sulfuric acid drop 5. Formation of a bluish green precipitate, Prussian blue, or blue solution indicate that original substance contain nitrogen. If no precipitate appear, allow to stand for 15 minutes, filter and inspect the filter paper. Then sulfide to cold fusion filtrate 1 ml. Add a few drops of cold freshly prepared dilute solution of sodium nitrochloride. The latter may be prepared by adding a small crystal of the solid to 2 ml of water. Production of rich purple color indicates that the original substance contains sulfur. This test is very sensitive, only strong positive results are significant. Now halogens. Acidify portions 1 ml of the fusion filtrate with 2N nitric acid, and if nitrogen and sulfur are present, boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Cool and add aqueous sodium nitrate 1 ml. Compare with a blank. Formations of heavy white or yellow precipitate of silver halide indicates halogen. If a positive result is obtained, acidify the remaining portions of the fusion filtrate with dilute sulfuric acid. Boil and cool. Add carbon tetrachloride 1 ml and few drops of freshly prepared chlorine water. Shake the mixture. If the carbon tetrachloride layer remains colorless, indicates chlorine. If the carbon tetrachloride layer is brown, indicates bromine. If the carbon tetrachloride layer is violet, indicates iodine. Now friends, if nitrogens and sulfur are also present, the addition of silver nitrate to the acidified fusion solution will precipitate silver cyanide or silver sulfide in addition to the silver halide. The removal of the hydrogen cyanide and hydrogen sulfide is effectively by boiling the fusion solution. So simple results, inference and conclusions here. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.